Happy holidays, everyone. Wait a minute. Yeah, all right. There we go. Now that's more like happy holiday crafting, everyone. Woohoo! Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Matthew Reinhardt, pop-up book creator. And anyways, happy holidays. It's time for crafting. Hey there, everybody. Welcome to the Pop-Up Studio. I'm Matthew Reinhardt. Well, hello, Matthew. Oh, it's so nice to meet you. I'm a pop-up book creator. I'm a children's book author and illustrator. And I want to welcome you to my channel. I want to welcome you to my messy studio. You can see all my Transformers back there. You can see all the stuff going on. It's secret projects. I'll tell you about them later, though. Well, it's the winter holiday season again, everyone. So happy holidays, everybody. Happy holidays. Whether you celebrate Christmas like me, or you celebrate Hanukkah, or you celebrate some other holiday, or even just New Year's, I want to wish you all happy holidays. And the holiday season, every year, it always signals something else, crafts. Everyone loves making stuff. And I have got the pop-up cards for you. We're doing 12 this year. I don't know why I did this. 12, that's not 12. I don't have that many fingers. But we got 12 different holiday crafts, and they're all pop-up cards. You can either make them and send them out to people you love, or you can put them all together and you can have a 12 spread pop-up book of all these different holiday pop-ups. So the templates are below. We're gonna get started on them, but first I wanna show you what we're gonna make. It's really beautiful. This holiday stars pop-up, look at that. Now this mechanism, look at those beautiful, oh, isn't that cool? This pop-up is a pop-up twister. Now you can go, some of my videos, my older videos, I have the pop-up masterclass, and you can learn how to make a twister on your own without a template, but this is a pop-up twister with a template. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? So we're gonna make this card, so what you're gonna need to do, download the templates down below. There's a link, and you print it out onto it, and we'll get started. So let's get assembling. All right, we've got our star card pieces all printed out on cardstock, any color you want. We need a ruler, we need a knitting needle, there's our knitting needle, and we use that for scoring. And we're gonna need something to cut out all these pieces, and like this craft knife and glue. So these are the things that we're gonna use. We're gonna use our ruler and our knitting needle or a very large paper clip to make score lines along all the dotted black lines. Okay, so dotted black lines, that's where a fold is. So that's where we're gonna score. Next, we're gonna cut out all the pieces following what? The solid black lines, right? The solid black lines are where we cut. You can use very fine scissors, or you can use an X-Acto blade or X-Acto knife like this. It's really much easier. And when I'm cutting out, I always make sure I'm not cutting towards my fingers because I don't want to cut myself. I cut myself before with an X-Acto knife, actually one of those big blade once when I was younger. And let me tell you, I learned my lesson. So be very careful. Respect the tools that you work with. So we're cutting out all these pieces, and cutting out the stars, it takes a long time, right? All right, once we finish cutting out all the pieces, we're gonna pre-fold all of our scored lines. So we're gonna follow along where all those dotted black lines are. We're gonna fold and pre-fold them just to get the pop-up pieces moving in the right direction. Even though this isn't the final way that they may fold, it just loosens up the paper and it makes our pop-up and our card open better. So after we've pre-folded everything, let's get to assembling. All right, let's take this big piece. This is gonna be the centerpiece. It's that little tab there. It's gonna fold over and glue onto itself, just like that. And this side is gonna glue, we're gonna fold it up and glue it onto itself, just like that. So it kind of crosses over and glues onto itself. See how it sort of can fold like that? So it should be able to fold. This is a twister pop-up, as it's called. So see how it twists when it opens and closes? All right, this piece here, this tab, is gonna glue back onto itself just to give that piece a little strength. And we're gonna do the same over here. So this little triangle folds back down onto itself, and this piece glues back on the back side, just like that. So those are just gonna give our pop-up in those areas a little more strength. Look at that.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Bring the magic of the Disney parks into your home with this fun and interactive pop-up map. With original artwork by the incredible Rui Ricardo, detailed text by Charlie Price, and intricate paper engineering from award-winning paper engineer Matthew Reinhardt. That's me. The Disneyland Pop-Up Park Tour brings the beloved landscapes, attractions, and characters of the Disney parks vividly to life. Intricate and unique, this
deluxe pop-up map is an essential keepsake for Disney fans of all ages. Now you can bring Disneyland home with you. From New York Times best-selling paper engineer Matthew Reinhart, that's me, comes the ultimate 3D masterpiece showcasing all your favorite comic book characters in DC Superheroes, the ultimate pop-up book. Fly above Metropolis with Superman, don a cowl and zoom through Gotham with Batman, battle alongside the Amazons with Wonder Woman, and so much more as the Justice League encounters villains such as Lex Luthor and the Joker. Featuring contemporary comics art and remarkable three-dimensional paper engineering on every page. This hefty pop-up, it's heavy, book is a must-have for all DC fans or anyone who loves the art of pop-ups. Now from Abrams Books, check it out. All right, now let's glue this. Now see these pieces here, these bizarro shaped pieces. These are just strengtheners that are gonna go on behind. There we go, just like that. It's gonna go on in the back there. And that's just gonna strengthen that piece because it's very skinny. The paper is very thin as the stars are connected. So we're gonna do the same for this piece here. We're gonna put some bunch of glue on there. Be sure to cover everything. And if you want, kind of move around the paper a little, like so it spreads the glue. And there it is in place. And those are both keyed in, which means the shapes are similar. So you'll know exactly where to glue it. All right, now we're gonna glue this piece in, just in that little triangle right down there at the bottom. We're gonna glue that in and it's gonna go right on this section, just like that. So when you look at it, it's gonna look like that. And then we're gonna do the same down here. That piece is gonna actually glue on the opposite. Now make sure when you put these little points in, they don't go over the fold lines. They must be right at the edge of the fold line so that it doesn't obstruct how the pop-up opens and closes. So see how it's gonna open and close? We need to make sure that that all works and that's all flat. So we're gonna let that dry. Now we're gonna attach these pieces. See that tab E there? And it's shaped just like that. So we're gonna just use a little glue there. Look at that. And we're gonna glue right there too. Watch. This is gonna glue right in place. See how it, on the opposite side, it glues there. And then we're gonna glue this on this side. And those two tabs should glue right in place, just like that. All right, so we've glued that in place. See how that star kind of bridges between those? Which actually it makes a layer between there, but it's really hard to see. Okay, so now this odd shaped bent tab is going to follow. Look, it's gonna follow right. See that shape right there? It's gonna follow this shape. Watch, I'm just gonna line it up. That's tab C. Now we're gonna glue this weird other shape tab and you're gonna see there's a key in spot and the gray glue in. See how that folds flat? There we go. So we just bridged those two areas. See how it's bridged there with those stars? Look at that. And it makes a nice shape. It's sort of a swoop of stars. Now that we've assembled the main pop, we're gonna slide it into place. See these two V-shaped slits? We're gonna line it up. There, we're gonna put some glue on this triangle here and this triangle here on the left and right. Okay, so those are gonna slide into those tabs. And we're gonna make sure the center of that fold lines up with the center of the base page. So that's all glued in place, and make sure it glues flat. Now let's glue those covers on. All right, we've glued on the covers and they look gorgeous. And now look at our pop-up. Oh my God, the stars are just popping out. Let's get decorating. Ooh, shimmering stars. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So I used foil paper to cut out all those different stars and glue them on. And then I used some other paper, different color for the background. But look at that. Isn't that awesome? You could use metallic pens to color them in. You can do whatever you want. This is your design. Make it yours, okay? So, hey, listen. I want to thank everybody for coming by and making this craft with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, would you do us a favor? Would you please hit like and then also hit subscribe down below? It really helps us with the algorithms. We're trying to get our subscribers up to 50K, so we need your help. So if you could, that would really lend us a big holiday hand here at the studio. Hey, feel free to comment as well below. Let me know, do you like this craft? Did you hate it? You know, do you not like my hair? I don't care. Tell me anything you like down below in the comments. I really appreciate it. We're here because of you. You're the reason why we're here. We love you very much and we love your feedback. So thank you. I'm not saying white, we, me. I love your feedback. Okay, so anyways, this is Matthew Reinhart and I'm saying be kind to a stranger, think creatively, and remember to keep it holiday poppin'. Ooh, shimmery. Bye-bye.